Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll be demonstrating something with the dried fish. Name of this dish is Sukya Bangdyache Amsol, which means Tangy Dried Mackerel curry. So let's see how you prepare it. I have some dried mackerels here which I have cleaned, and now I'll be soaking it in a bowl of water for 30 minutes. Next, take some tamarind and soak it in water for 30 minutes so that we can extract the pulp from it. Slice the onions and slit the green chilies. Extract the tamarind pulp and strain it. You can add more water if you need some more pulp. Heat oil in a vessel, add sliced onions, slitted green chilies, and saute till light brown in color. Then add ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, and mix well. Add the freshly extracted tamarind pulp and bring it to a boil. Once the liquid starts boiling, lower the flame and add the soaked and drained mackerels and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Check for the taste and then season it with salt and sugar. If you like my video, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, I will see you all next time in my next video.